if your EMS hose after fully charged, but when you use few seconds, auto off like this. Usually the power will stand for 15 minutes. Okay, I'll let you know what is the problem. It is the internet battery problem. Now I want to show you how to replace this faulty battery. Okay, to remove the cover, we need to unscrew 4 screws first. Inside got another 2 screws. Now you can see the terrible swollen battery. That's why the power auto off in few seconds. Now what we do is unsoldering these 2 leads of this battery. Remove this small battery and replace a new one. The voltage of this battery is 3.7 volt and 150 mAh. Make sure you buy a correct one to replace it. Don't get confused about this positive and negative. Just follow the circuit board will do. The next step is just soldering these 2 leads and make sure it's firmly soldered. When you're soldering, you can see the light. No worry, just go ahead. It won't harm you. Switch on the power and see before I close the cover. Oh, everything is okay. Then I can screw this circuit board. Okay, when you want to close the cover, make sure you put it in a correct position. Otherwise, you cannot close it, the cover. Okay, last step. I want to make sure this battery can recharge. Yeah, I can see the red right here. Okay, that is. Bye bye.